hang on necklace or bracelet, then you can also make one side left, another side with a loop so that you can make it on a bracelet. Yeah, two loop. So two loop how to make here. What size are the blue beads? Blue beads is 4 millimeter. 4 millimeter. Okay, two loop flower is the same. You can use the cut the wire 15 centimeter, 6 inch as well. Okay, so two loop, how to make two loop is different. We get 6 piece of the beads again, and get gold beads again. So 7 beads total. Then the wire here. How to make two loop? If we are make a bracelet, here to show you. Here with a chain. Then if we are make it, so first if make two loop is not string the beads first, is make loop first. Okay, fold it. One wire short, another wire longer. Long one 10 centimeter, short one about 5 or 6 centimeters. So the wire I cut a little bit longer. Yeah, not exactly the 6 inch. So here, then if I want to attach the wire on the chain, attach the flower on the chain. Here, this way. Then the wire long one, wrap it. Long wire wrap a loop. Okay, here finally the wire attach on the chain. Then the beads go the long wire, 6 piece. Six piece beads here. One beads gold at the middle, short. 6 beads at the long side. Okay. So we use the blue beads around the middle gold. Okay, now you will find that the gold beads can be go out because it's not lock. Okay, how to lock? Here the wire long. After you wrap one circle, then you are going to here this way wrap here. Okay, wrap it. Then the wire here is on the back. Okay, on the back. And go the front. Here. So the wire is one piece on back, one piece on front, on top. To lock the beads, then it's here. And the last 2 wire just need to cross it and twist. Okay. By the loop. here. Attach. Tight. Here. Here. Then it's like this. The two loop tutorial let me check. Single loop tutorial we have tutorial.